with this new alarm clock.
Fancy! Does it play music?
It plays all kinds of wake-up sounds. And look! It even opens up the window shades. Shall we wake up to Morning Meadow? Sunrise Symphony? How about Bedbug Boogie?
Wait! Oh, phones. Oh, phones.
I'll stick to the basic beat. Sweet dreams, Smith. Good. Nighty-night. What's going on now?
I remember seeing this in the cinema. I actually had this bit. Oh, okay.
Phew.
Okay. Okay. Please turn off your mobile phones and refrain from talking. Please turn off your mobile phones and
Please turn off your mobile phones.
please turn off your phones.
Please turn off your phones.
Please turn off your mobile phones and refrain from talking. Please turn off your phones and refrain from talking. Please turn off your mobile phones and
Please turn off your mobile phones and please turn off your mobile phones and please turn off your mobile phones and